Okay, once again, ladies and gentlemen, then we will be just having one question for our top five. And the question goes this way. If you will be crowned as the first Ginoong Diet 2024, what platform or advocacy will you implement in the municipality of Daet? Once again, if you will be crowned as the first Ginoong Diet 2024, what platform or advocacy will you implement in the municipality of Daet?
Thank you so much and good evening. You know what? I am not standing here for no reason. I stand here with my full courage, confidence, and hope that you will dream something significant for me through my advocacy. My advocacy revolves around historical preservation through promoting the tourism and the cultural heritage of our municipality. As we are currently celebrating the 31st Pinyasan Festival, I believe that we need to exert more of our full efforts in order to maintain, preserve, and promote the culture, history, tourism, and legacy of our municipality. Because this is what Daet deserves. This is what each Daeteños deserves. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, candidate number 7. Well said. Alright. So your question is, if you will be crowned as the first Ginoong Diet 2024, what platform or advocacy will you implement in the municipality of Daet? Again, if you will be crowned as the first ever Ginoong Diet 2024, what platform or advocacy will you implement in the municipality of Daet?
I'm a proud advocate of cultivation of culture and arts, performing arts for youth development. You know, I say performing arts student, I would love to empower youth through my passion. My passion is to perform. And we all know that all children in our barangays have no support system. And I will be that. We will be that. My platform or my idea is every barangay should have seminar workshops, different workshops to cultivate our culture. And even if I don't win the crown, it's okay. And I will still want to see that future because being an advocate doesn't need a title. It needs heart and passion. Thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6. Alright, candidate number 9, are you now ready for your final question?
Yes po.
Alright, candidate number 9, here's your question. If you will be crowned as the first Ginoong Diet 2024, what platform or advocacy will you implement in the municipality of Daet? Again, if you will be crowned as the first Ginoong Diet 2024, what platform or advocacy will you implement in the municipality of Daet?
Thank you for the wonderful question. Now, upon joining this pageant, my purpose was not only showcase my talents as well as my skills, but I use this stage and I will take this opportunity to share my advocacy, which is teenage pregnancy prevention, which I think will be very beneficial to our society, our community, and the youth especially. If you all get to focus and knowledgeable when it comes to this. Because reasons on why I chose this as my advocacy is because first and foremost, it provides health risks among young women, and we face economic challenges. Because I believe upon raising a child, it requires responsibility and economic stability. Thirdly and lastly, I believe, it is the disruption in education, wherein I believe it is the most important that you finish your school. Therefore, I will take this opportunity as Ginoong Diet, take this platform and make use of social media, since I believe it is most used amongst this generation today for me to share and inspire those to join me in my advocacy. Thank you.
If you will be crowned as the first Ginoong Diet 2024, what platform or advocacy will you implement in the municipality of Diet? Again, if you will be crowned as the first Ginoong Diet 2024, what platform or advocacy will you implement in the municipality of Diet?
Thank you for the question. If I will be the next Mr. Ginoo, the first Ginoong Diet 2024, I will have my advocacy, which is the youth empowerment, because I do believe that is crucial to sustainable development, because youth are not representation only of democratic force but also embody innovation, energy, resilience, which it can tackle the global challenges such as climate change, poverty, and inequality. Thank you.
Alright, candidate number 11, would you like to say hi and greet your supporters out there?
So yun po, good evening to everyone, especially po sa family ko, and sa side, and to my friends, and yung mga kapatid ko dyan sa labas, at sa lahat ng tao nandito nanonood, maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Salamat po.
Yes, candidate number 13, bago tayo dumako sa iyong final question, how do you feel that you are one of those candidates sa madaming awards na nakuha, including Best in Swimwear, Best in Formal Wear, Best in Production Number? How do you feel about that?
Una-una po sa lahat is syempre masaya dahil isa po ako sa mga napili sa swimwear, sa Best in Production Number, and sa Best in Talent. At ang masasabi ko lamang po ay thank you Lord dahil binigyan mo ako ng ganitong kakayahan para may pakita kung sino ako sa lahat po.
Alright, candidate number 13, are you now ready for your final question?
Yes po.
Alright, and here's your final question. If you will be crowned as the first Ginoong Diet 2024, what platform or advocacy will you implement in the municipality of Diet? Again, if you will be crowned as the first Ginoong Diet 2024, what platform or advocacy will you implement in the municipality of Diet?
Magandang gabi sa ating lahat, sa mga judges. Kung ako man ang mananalo bilang Ginoong Diet 2024, ang ibibigay kong advocacy at papatangahan ko ay youth wellness. Dahil sa panahon ngayon, masyado na tayo naging independent sa social media, lalo na sa teknolohiya. Ako bilang isang physical education student, gusto ko na maging malusog ang lahat ng tao, especially ang mga dietitian nyo. Gusto kong ipagpad ang youth wellness para maipakita sa mga tao na mahalaga ito na makiisa tayo sa paggawa ng physical activities. Dahil marami itong kontribusyon sa ating buhay tulad ng physical, mental, social, emotional, and spiritual health. Dahil ang masasabi ko, ang ating katawan ay ating buhay at ang ating buhay ay ating kayamanan. Yun lamang po at maraming salamat.